All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about your money and Wealthsimple. You've probably heard the buzz around Wealthsimple, easy investing, low fees, and all that jazz. But there's one question that keeps popping up. How much does it actually cost to get your money out of Wealthsimple? Now, this isn't a clickbait title or some shady financial scheme. It's a legit question that needs a straight answer. Because, let's face it, fees can be a sneaky little devil, eating away at your hard-earned cash. So, let's dive in and uncover the truth about Wealthsimple withdrawal fees. First things first, Wealthsimple is known for its low-cost investment platform. They've disrupted the traditional financial industry by offering a more affordable way to invest. But, as with any financial product, there are always some fine print details to consider. So, here's the deal, Wealthsimple doesn't charge a fee for most withdrawals. That's right, you heard me correctly. No withdrawal fees for the majority of your accounts. This includes your standard investment accounts, like your tax-free savings account, TFSA, and Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP. But, hold on a second, there's a catch. While Wealthsimple itself doesn't charge a fee, your bank might. When you withdraw money from Wealthsimple, it typically gets transferred to your linked bank account. And guess what? Your bank might slap on a fee for that incoming transfer. This is something to keep an eye on. Different banks have different policies, so it's important to check with your bank to see if there are any associated fees. Now, let's talk about a specific scenario. What if you want to withdraw money instantly? Well, Wealthsimple does offer an option to withdraw funds immediately using a linked debit card. However, there's a price to pay for that convenience. You'll be charged a 2.5% fee on the total withdrawal amount. So, while you get your money fast, it comes at a cost. It's important to note that this instant withdrawal option is only available for non-registered accounts and TFSAs on Wealthsimple's self-directed investing platform. Other account types, like RRSPs and managed accounts, don't support instant withdrawals. So, to recap, Wealthsimple itself doesn't charge fees for most withdrawals. However, your bank might charge a fee for incoming transfers. If you need your money instantly, there's a 2.5% fee for using a linked debit card. Now, you might be wondering, why would you ever need to withdraw money from your investments? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you're saving for a down payment on a house, or perhaps you're going through a financial emergency. Whatever the reason, it's important to understand the costs involved. But remember, withdrawing money from your investments can impact your long-term financial goals. Investments grow over time, and withdrawing money can hinder that growth. So, it's essential to think carefully before making any withdrawals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.